Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are going to see how to fix iPhone that display iPhone unavailable, and also how to upgrade an iPhone to iOS 16.3 version. So this is the detail of the iOS, the latest one that you can use on the flash this iPhone X. So we'll go to what they call the iPhone wiki, and we'll check the firmware. We'll click on iPhone, then click on 16X, because that is the latest version of iOS now. Click on 16X. Then we'll choose our phone, which is iPhone X. Unfortunately, this particular website doesn't have the latest iOS for iPhone X. So all I have now is 16.1, but we're already on 16.3. So let's check another website where we can get that. Type iPhone S firmware or iOS. So I'm going to use this. Scroll down. Yeah, this have it. This is iOS 16.3. It is 23rd January, and today is just 28th. Now have iOS 16.2. So click on download, and it's downloading now. So the downloading speed depends on your internet provider speed, your hotspot, MyFail, modem, or whichever one. The speed of the internet provider. So what we are going to do, cross our fingers and wait for it to download finish. Make sure you have enough data. To enable it download without any problem. Still downloading. The file size is 5.5 gig. We're almost done. If your internet speed is about 5.0 megabyte per second, this won't take more than 20 to 30 minutes. But here I'm having like 1.8 megabyte per second. That is the downloading rate. Sorry, 1 point something kilobyte, not even megabyte, right? You can see the speed increase as the downloading rate also increases. I've done downloading. That is the first step. So I've done downloading. So let's start the flashing properly. First of all, you put the phone in DFU mode. To do that, you power it off. Hold the volume up and down and power. Once you power off, you hold volume down and up till you see computer sign on the screen. That's how you can put the iPhone X into DFU mode. Then you connect it, make sure it's connected to system while you are doing that. Connect it to computer. So it's now connected to PC. Let's close iTunes because we're not using it for now. In 3U2, there is where you can select iTunes to be closed automatically, but I don't want to do that in case I would like to use iTunes. I'll close that. We'll click OK. Go to Smart Flash tab it. Then we'll select local firmware. What we'll do that, let's select quick flash mode. That's what I use to flash phone if I'm using 3U2s. So select where we save the file. So I've imported it now. Then we'll click on flash. Click flash again. So keep watching it. Once you started this, make sure you watch it through in case there's a problem. If there's a problem, you will now know how to fix it or how to go about it. And make sure the phone is connected to internet. That is the two most important things. Make sure the system is charging also, so that the lights will not go off all of a sudden. So 5% now, and it's still loading or extracting the firmware. On 6% now. 7% now. We're still going. What, 8%? Now what, 9% now, requesting SHS. What? Wow, this error. Once you see the number in red, that means there's error. And the flashing will hang or will stop there and not will happen again. So let's check what the error is all about. This is error 9% requesting SHS. So let's check how to fix it. Well, there's a problem here and we have to find the solution. So let's go to the website called SHS host and see whether we can find a lead for this. Remember, the iOS I downloaded is 16.3, which is the latest for now. So let's see what the problem is all about. So enter SHSH. Also, I'll drop the link on the description in case you're having this similar issue. Then open this website. I've copied ECID. Yes, you have not got to do that. Instruction here say see apply blah 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 SHS2 format for your device to later downgrade using this. So you copy this, then paste it here. I write ESID. Then our device is iPhone S, so I'm going to choose S here. So what it says, in case you can use this and downgrade your iOS, well, that's a lot of work. But what I want to see is what is the latest iOS for this particular phone, which is iPhone X. I want to see the latest iOS, whether I've made a mistake or not. So click request SHSH. Okay. So this one's in white is already outdated, it's saved. Then this in blue, you can still use it, and this is the latest one which I downloaded, which is 16.3. So my file is okay. So I wonder why 3U2s is saying error 9%. So let's see how we can fix this error. The latest way we can fix error 9%. While flashing iOS with 3U2s too. So I'm right. So the file I use is good, it's the latest. It's supposed to finish flashing the phone without error. So let me try it once again. Let's see where the problem is. I'll select this, then click flash. Click flash again. It jumped to 9%, meaning that it will still end up the same way. Wow, that's a problem. So we'll figure it out. We'll close this. Then let me try iTunes. Okay. I'll close this. Then click restore iPhone. Before I do that, make sure you're holding shift button key on your computer. I will select the file again here and then click restore. It's extracting the file, meaning it's going to work. But let us not conclude yet. While we wait patiently to see whether this will fix the problem. Ensure you don't touch the USB or the phone or the PC. Make sure the PC is connected to internet and it has a good battery. If you don't have a battery, make sure you have a UPS, which is good in case you have a power failure. So all you do now, you will relax and wait for iTunes to finish flashing our phone. This is another way you can remove iPhone unavailable on any iPhone, iPad, or any Apple product. So relax, wait for it to see what is the next thing that will happen. As you continue, the iPhone will restart. If it's doing that, don't panic. That's how it's done. After restarting, sometimes you may even restart 2-3 times. Just allow it. Don't touch it. Leave it that way until when you see done or when you see your iPhone has been restored. Please make sure you subscribe this channel, like the video, share the video. If you have any problem, use the comment section and tell us the problem you're having. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video. If you want to know more, I have a course on the description. You can take, join other students there and know more about this. If you have a problem, you can also use comment section. I'll answer you within some time. Please subscribe that channel. I have a target of getting 100k within 1 month. Please subscribe that channel. And I have there's more and more things you're going to learn. I'm going to drop tips. Just started. So sometimes this is the kind of issue you face. 3U2 didn't solve the problem. We stopped at 9%. But iTunes is flashing the iPhone now without a problem. If you have any issue, especially if you're a software engineer or a technician, don't give up when you use a 1.2. Try alternative if you have, because the alternative might face the problem. So this is how to fix error 9%, which is requesting SHSH. That is requesting the iOS version with 3U2s. It's done. And we have succeeded in facing the problem. So in case you find yourself in this kind of situation, don't panic much, rather use the alternative. Please subscribe the channel, like and share. If you have any problem, use the comment section. Ensure that your phone is charged enough before you start this kind of problem, because many people complain, but this works for me. You can see the phone working. Good. It's done. Say your iPhone has been restored. So I've succeeded. Thank you. Bye.